nong thap vote Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla konrat ke sangma dang shin ulapan tip bagi sarkar ke penlong ke Jinglang banyakran Halor ke Jingjur jong ke Dheng kali ha kanong ba habekran berkilat thai kubor hadin jong ke Jinglang konrat ulaang ban weng ya ke jing khap nya hasor Shillong ke sarkar kala chim khia ya ke kemat da ke batei ke jakap nyeng kali ha ke benta beper hasor Shillong Upentip ru bakin penenkam kambun daki jaka sarkar bantai ki jaka penyeng kali kum ka barik point ka panong laj pak bat kiwe ki jaka bat hadin baladap te yakini ki jaka and kam keloit ka sor
Much more parking space, and the vehicles which are parked on the road now will be parked in the parking spaces, and we'll get space to also expand the road. For example, we are going to be expanding the road and creating footpaths from Shillong Club all the way going up to the Governor House Junction and all the way going to the Pinewood Junction. So there the land of the forest, the tourism and the forest department, which is Watts Lake, we will take some space from there, extend the boundary wall and create a walking space for the pedestrian so that people have a space to walk out there. So these kind of micro plannings were done on the correct time. We will give you more details about it. But all these were discussed and we have approved all these, not approved, but we have seen the presentation today.